Hey, welcome to the vlog. You might have noticed that I haven't really been uploading vlogs consistently lately, and I feel like I've been in a rut and I didn't feel like I was actually pretty productive at all. But when I was looking back and editing the video, which is 2 weeks worth of vlogs, I realized how much I actually completed, and I think this is how important vlogging is to me because I get to see how much progress I made each week. Now I'm like, wow, I actually was really productive. So I hope you enjoy watching this week's productive small business vlog. Bye! Hello, I'm Mimi and today is the start of a new week, so we're starting off with a new vlog. I've gotten some comments that the audio isn't really clear, so I'm going to try to use my mic more and hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm going to bake some cookies. I feel like they might be too close together. Alright, let's start the timer. Okay, the cookies are ready. Let's see. Oh, whoa, they actually turned out so cute. Surprisingly, none of them are sticking that close together except for maybe a couple. I'm pretty proud of how I spaced them out and the size is so cute. So my packages for this month's mail has arrived. So let's unbox it together. Mine for lunch. This is so much. I cannot believe it how much things I got. So that was everything in my March mail club. My prints are actually coming tomorrow. I'm going to pack all the sticker tiers first since that's what I have right now. This is only the stickers so far. Today is actually Wednesday. I was at the office on Tuesday and I ended up staying until like 7 p.m. So once I got home, it was too late and too dark to kind of record anything. I have these, which are my new keychains that came. I also created backing cards for it, but they kind of got damaged during the transportation. So I kind of want to show you how everything looks close up. So here is the flower charm. This one turned out really cute. I love how dainty this looks and it turned out so pretty. I'm realizing that the backing cards I made are kind of too short for all of these. I really underestimated the length of the charm. So here's the backing card. Wow, they all kind of got destroyed during transit. But this is the link charm. And so I made the bag semi-see-through, but the water part is not see-through, just the air bubbles. I wanted to kind of mimic like the glass bag. And then we have the whale charm here with the stars. And overall, I think it's so cute. It is a pretty big charm. For reference, This is my mouse. So it turned out to be pretty big actually. I'm overall really happy with this. And the red really matches the ribbon. Lastly, I have this cherry blossom wind chime. Here's a close-up of the wind chime. So I mentioned that I was really nervous about this gradient effect not showing, and it actually shows. So now we have this little aura, and then you can stick your hand through it. And maybe I should have just let it be less detailed in the long run, so that way we can see through it more. But here in the bottom is the little petals that's kind of drifting down. Now that I've kind of shown you how my charms would look like, I'm actually going to try to experiment to see if I can make like 2 holes on top to fit the charm through instead of taping it onto the backing paper. Luckily, I tested it out. I actually hate how this looks. So we won't be doing anything like this, and I'll probably keep them in their original packaging. It's so pretty. I just got my package for the art prints. It's currently 6 p.m. right now, so let's finish packing all of the mail clubs and send them out as soon as I can. When I order from Moo, they tend to do alternating prints if you order multiple designs in one. So this is the first one, and here's the back. So I just finished packing these, which contains the print. Now I have to go back and fix all of the previous mails that don't have the print yet, but I prepared ahead of time so that way it would save me time today. So you may not know this, but besides running my mail club on Patreon and Ko-fi, I also have an option to subscribe on my shop. But one thing I didn't think about was how I would update my members when orders get sent out. So thank you to Omnisend for sponsoring this video. Email marketing and newsletters are super important for maintaining an audience and growing your shop, especially as a small business. You can't control how social media shares your content to your audience, even if they follow you. But when they choose to sign up to your newsletter, you are able to send emails to people who actually want to hear from you. What really stood out to me about Omnisend is that it's a really powerful tool without a steep learning curve. I was able to set up a segment just for my mail club members who are subscribed to my mail club on my shop. With this segment, I can now send bi-weekly email updates about my shop to my members so they can see new monthly mail themes, access the secret shop, and know when mails have been sent out. I've also set up automations like birthday discounts and welcome offers to celebrate you guys. Omnisend has really helped me do the heavy lifting so I can focus on my small business. You can also see the analytics of how your emails are performing. I love looking at numbers, and I'm actually shocked to see how many people have signed up since I've started using Omnisend. And I can see how much of the sales are directly from the emails that I've sent out. In fact, Omnisend customers get back $79 for every $1 that they spent. But I was already shocked to see that I've already made around $250 directly from these emails despite still being on their free plan. And a huge bonus about using Omnisend is that they have 24 hours, 7 days a week customer support. Using Omnisend is a smarter investment because I'm not overpaying for features I don't use, but it has already delivered so many benefits for me. So if you're interested in trying out Omnisend for yourself, check the link in my description below, or you can scan the QR code on my screen. Hello! When was the last time I was here? It's Friday, and I've been holding off on packing some long-awaited Etsy orders. So today we're going to do some packing, and I don't have April freebies. These stickers have been in my shop for a while now, so I think I'm gonna take them off the shop and use them as April's freebie. So yeah, let's start packing. finished packing all of my Etsy orders. Now I'm going to finish packing the Shopify orders that I have pending, and so we're going to print out the receipts. I actually made a couple adjustments to it. I am actually going to directly print out the packing slips on the 6x4. So I'm going to make a couple edits first so that they fit a little cleaner, and then I will do the printing. So I already made some changes, and this is how it looks right now. Oh no. And I figured out how to turn on noise cancelling for my mic. So apparently when we have the yellow light on the mic, it means it's noise cancelling, and I hope that it's better. We will see how it goes. Do let me know what you think. Now, next is to put the freebies on the thank you cards. It's 11:30 p.m. I'm just gonna pack the order without really filming for my ASMR because it's so late and I need to go to the office tomorrow. Hi, good morning. Today's Tuesday. I'm actually just starting my vlogs on random days at this point. I have to go into the office today. I always say that I want to vlog my life in the office, but I always get too scared once I get there. One of the reasons why I want to vlog life outside my art, because I kind of want to show how I balance my 9 to 5 with my art, because I feel like a lot of studio vlogs who have already quit their 9 to 5s or don't really show that. Showing that aspect really helps to show we're kind of all in this together and we're kind of all struggling to reach our goals and our dreams. It makes me less alone when I know that an artist or someone I follow or look up to is in the same boat as me. So I hope that it would help someone out there. Makeup's done. Let's get dressed.
guess I wasn't keeping track properly because I did have some lost orders here and there, so I ran out of my Lucky Charm sticker sheet and had to send some emails to everyone to let them know that they can pick other sticker sheets as a replacement. Unfortunately, I'll have to do a better job at keeping track of my stock somehow, but we have a couple more orders to pack. I actually need to restock my sticker sheet soon because this container is like just empty now, which is crazy because I only have like 10 sheets of each design in here to make packing faster, but I'm running low. Finally finished packing all of my orders except the ones that are missing the Lucky Charm sticker sheet, and this is how my desk looks like right now. It's a disaster, so I want to do some cleanup and like clear the space a little because it's so chaotic from all the packing. Honestly, I do wish that there was an easier system for packing. I'm trying to think about ways I can make packing less stressful for myself. I don't know if it's because I have too much products on hand or if it's just because I'm very unorganized. I've turned this bin into my little trash can. I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of my little corner off the camera since I'm getting a little tired. But yeah, this was a day in running my small business while I run a 9 to 5. And so I'll see you tomorrow. Hello. Okay, so today is Wednesday now. I'm currently working on my May Mail Club stickers. I already finished the sketch for the icons and now I'm going to work on the widgets. I also found a new YouTuber that I really like. Her channel name is Love Anastasia. It's been really fun to put her videos up and draw. I don't know what it is about having the camera on, but I always feel so much more productive. Like, I just finished the sketch in like 5 minutes. Yeah. Anyways, now I'm going to move on to the next stickers and I'll probably have some video playing while I'm working on the rest of the sheet. So I'm in a bit of a dilemma because I realized how bad of a combo teal and purple is. Like, they just don't look that great together. Maybe I think I will include some blue, then make like teal and purple the accent colors so that way they can mesh better together a little more. So all of my sketches are done. I'm going to work on doing the line art for all of my pieces. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. I really love the flowy movement and I made like a roughly texture to kind of look like the fishtail, which I feel like was such a cool that I put in. So really excited to see how this one goes when I finish it. just finished my liner over the weekend, so today we're actually going to work on coloring everything. I only had the colors set up for the back of the postcard because I already have an idea of what I want. I think I kind of talked about how I'm finding some problem with how teal and purple are kind of not matching with each other. So we're going to add blue as the main color. I feel like that way you will have a more subtle blend between the two colors. Hello, today it is May 7th. I actually planned a shop update for May 10th, so we're going to be working on that today. So here is what I have to do. I'll need to take product photos, and then I will have to create a bunch of listings. I also want to try and edit some videos. I did post some unboxing videos online already, but I also want to do some more reels where I talk about my thoughts a little bit, because I feel like reels lately have been doing a lot better than carousels for me. So we're going to do that, and then I'll probably do a catalog that I'll post on May 10th so that people know what I have brought to my shop. I'm honestly a little scared because for this shop update I didn't include any sticker sheet, and I'm only releasing sticker books and acrylic charms. I feel like it's going to be one of my worst shop updates ever because this isn't something that I'm known for, but I'm hoping it will work out and people will at least like the acrylic charms. I have very limited space. If these acrylic charms don't work out well, I'm probably just going to focus only on sticker sheets for now, since I don't have a lot of space to store them perpetually. So for the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to take photos of my sticker books. So I have a crazy idea. Do you see what's behind me? My studio space right now? Especially this area, it's actually starting to get a little crowded. I saw a post on shelf displays on Instagram and I realized I have so many display stuff from when I did the market, and since I haven't been actively doing markets, I thought I would reuse these. So I'm going to build my sticker display shelf that I'm going to put up here, and I'm hoping that it makes the backdrop look better, because this is what it looks like right now when I film my videos. Just a plain wall, and then sometimes you see this, which is kind of ugly in my opinion. So I'm thinking about revamping it. Here I'm going to use my displays to build a taller shelf, and I can use that to store stuff, and hopefully that works a little bit better. I lost a piece here while I was packing, it seems, because I can't seem to find it in my bag or anywhere else. I did have this extra piece that they gave me, but that's usually for the panels and not for... I'm really sad because now I don't have that piece, but I can still put stickers here as long as I don't move them, because they will still be on the shelf, so that way I can still put my stickers here. But this is just so weird. I don't know where I could have put it. Okay, let's move those things out of the way, and then we're gonna put my shelf on the table. So we have my luggage here, and in here we will have all of those panels that I've saved, which we're going to open. I have a lot of these. I actually used them as closet organizers back when I was renting in my previous space, so I do end up having a lot of panels that I can actually reuse, and they seem to hold up a lot of stuff. I think I'll build one that's 4 blocks tall, so we get 4 extra blocks, and then we also get an extra shelf at the top. So it lines up pretty well. I think I'm gonna add another tier. Now that I'm looking at it, 4 tiers is actually a little too tall for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. And if you're interested in trying out Omnisend, don't forget to use the link in the description below to sign up for a free account and get 30% off for the first 3 months. And thank you to Omnisend for sponsoring this video.